Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and in this video I'll be showing you a 6-seater dining set. This design we have made earlier also in 10-seater, in 8-seater. This is the first time this is converted to a 6-seater, and conversion means because this is as per the client's requirement. The most important thing in any furniture product is the requirement, because everybody has a particular space, and according to the space the furniture should be fine, should adjust there properly. And here we have a 6-seater unit, beautifully carved with double carved chair. When we talk of double carving, this is what I mean. You can see the carving at the back as well, and the carving on the front of the chair. Generally, the dining sets are kept where we have the visibility from all the sides, because we have to move every side to serve the people, and it is generally kept away from the wall. In that case, the double carving looks very beautiful. Apart from that, if you look at the dining, it's one of the most heavy design of ours, and the look on the leg of this unit alone can give you the idea what is the dining all about. Is solid wood. This is not hollow, and you can see the carving, the cutting, and the overall look of the complete unit that suggests what kind of work we are doing. The beautiful carving that you see here, the fine carving and the amazing carving, is hand work. This is done by real people. This is not machine done. This is not any CNC work. This is done by actual real people who know the art. This is skill work, and the beautiful skill work is right in front of you in solid teak wood. This is not any other metal. This is solid teak wood and golden paint. The golden is done antique to give it a better look, because every cut and carving you can see is clearly visible, and that is possible when you have the antique thing in the gold. The size of the table is 6 feet by 4 feet top, and once we place glass on top of it, it's ready for use. Glasses, marbles, granites, onyx, generally we don't provide because they are very fragile and easily can be procured locally. But people do ask us for international clients mostly. We provide these things because they can safely travel in a container. Sizes, design, color, fabric, and any changes you want, we do everything, and we provide it door delivery in India or outside India, because Arson is an international trademark. We are registered in 35 countries as a brand trademark, and we are exporting to more than 55 countries across the globe. Home delivery, door delivery, we are providing. And here you can see the testimonials, hundreds and hundreds, in fact thousands of them from across the globe. So many people have bought the stuff, they got the stuff to their home, and we have delivered safely, and the stuff looks so beautiful when they reach the client's place. Any design you like from the internet that has got carving work or has something for a handcrafted artisan to do, you let us know and we'll make that for you in your choice, in your selection of colors, design, fabric, everything, and we deliver to your home in factory price. The most important thing, because we are the manufacturers and we are delivering directly to your place. There is no middleman, trader, or commission agent in the middle, so you get the best deal from Arson itself. So select the design freely, let us know what you want, let us make what you like, and let's decorate your home how you want it or your interior designer has suggested. For any query, prices, design, please contact us. The number is right here. We'll be happy to make what you like. Thank you. Dhanyavad.